In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Matomo for product analysis. So product analysis means many different things. So the short answer is yes, you can use Matomo in order to measure product app or product website or whatever you want. The big thing is that it's all about integration, because your product is going to be so specific that you need to tailor the tracking code in order for Matomo to understand what's going on. In order to express this integration, I'm going to take the example of this very old plugin named Anonymous Piwik Usage Measurement. What this plugin is doing, so this plugin has been tailored for Matomo in order to track what is happening within a Matomo instance. So to say, within Matomo, I'm going to take the website demo.matomo.cloud. Of course, you are getting the visits of your website, but you can also decide to measure how people are using Matomo itself. For example, are people clicking on this link? Are they clicking over here? Are they using this given map? Are they clicking on e-commerce? Are they exporting some data? Do they go to the admin? Do they click over here? Do they disconnect themselves? And this is exactly what this plugin is doing. Okay, so Matomo can do product analysis. If we consider, for example, here that the Matomo software is a product itself, then you can measure everything which is happening over here. So in order to have a type of idea about what's going on, you can just install, in fact, this plugin. And then when it will be set, so this plugin is a bit particular because it's going to measure everything which is going to happen within your Matomo. So in my case, for example, here you have 6 to 7 Matomo running on this given instance. And in fact, once I install this plugin, it's going to automatically measure everything which is happening. So here it's telling me that myself is connected, that I have an access as a super user, that I came directly in the app. So this is the configuration of my browser and technology. And here you see, it's telling me through the page view that I was on the home page, and then I had a look at the dashboard, and then I tried to log in myself, and then I went back on the dashboard, and then I went on the visit log report, and then I went on the report about events, and then I had a look at the one about the content. So this is, let's say, the basic measurement, but it can go way deeper than this. If you have a look, for example, over here to the behavior and the events, you will see that it's measuring as well the events and telling me about how my app is how my product is performing. So here, as you can see, it's telling me, oh, by the way, we used, the API has been used. And the API which has been used are the following ones. So it's telling me, in fact, about all the different, let's say, processes which are going on. And let's say all the different API methods which are getting called. And of course, you can know more about the visitor. And as you can see here, it's using as well the custom variables in order to say, okay, what is the Matomo version which is used, what is the PHP version, the number of users, the number of websites it's tracking, the number of segments. So to say, it's really like doing everything in order for you to measure what is happening within the product itself. So whatever the product that you have, let's imagine, for example, that you would like to know how people are using your CMS. Let's imagine that you are using Drupal. You can, in fact, put it on the back end of a Drupal system, so that it's going to measure how many people are, in fact, providing content, what are their access rights, when they are publishing. In fact, you can track really everything. If you have an intranet portal, if you have a SAS solution, and you can even go even further than this. Let's imagine that you have a CRM, for example, and that your CRM allows either to add the JavaScript code on the page or either to use what we call a webhook. In fact, you can use those webhooks in order to send, let's say, server side data to your Matomo so that you can measure what's happening on the CRM.